Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the thermal paste on your DELL Vostro 5000 series laptop. This maintenance is essential for keeping your laptop running smoothly and preventing overheating. Let's get started. Tools needed *. 1. Phillips screwdriver, size number 0 or number 1. 2. Plastic spudger. 3. Isopropyl alcohol, at least 70%. 4. Lint-free cloth or coffee filters. 5. Thermal paste, high quality recommended. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Begin by creating a clean and static-free workspace. Make sure you have all your tools handy. If you're not comfortable with the process or lack the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as pickup and delivery at your home. Step 2. Power off and unplug the laptop. Ensure that your laptop is powered off. Disconnect the charger and any peripherals. It's crucial to avoid any electrical damage. Step 3. Remove the battery. For safety, if your model allows, remove the battery. This step may vary depending on the specific Vostro model you have. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws holding the battery in place. Step 4. Open the laptop case. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Keep track of each screw's location. Once done, carefully use a plastic spudger to pry open the case gently. Be cautious not to damage any clips. Step 5. Locate the CPU and GPU. Once the back panel is off, locate the CPU and GPU. They are usually covered by a heatsink. Remove the screws connecting the heatsink to the motherboard. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Step 6. Clean the old thermal paste. Using a lint-free cloth or coffee filters, moisten with isopropyl alcohol, gently wipe off the old thermal paste from both the CPU and GPU surfaces, as well as the heatsink. This step is crucial for optimal heat transfer. Step 7. Apply new thermal paste. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. A pea-sized amount is sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly. Step 8. Reassemble the laptop. Carefully reattach the heatsink and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Next, place the back panel on and screw it back into place, followed by reinstalling the battery if removed. Step 9. Power on the laptop. After ensuring everything is secured and in place, plug in your laptop and power it on. Monitor the temperatures using software tools to check if the thermal paste replacement was successful. If you find that you're not comfortable performing these steps or if you run into issues, remember, we offer no calls, no travel service. Just reach out for a quote before repair, and we'll handle everything for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.